We are at a turning point in the COVID-19 crisis. The pandemic has cost over 2.7 million lives. More than 120 million people have fallen into extreme poverty. We are in the worst recession since the Great Depression. Richer countries have benefited from an unprecedented $16 trillion of emergency support measures, preventing a downward spiral and setting the stage for recovery. The least developed countries have spent 580 times less in per capita terms on their COVID-19 response than advanced economies. This division is starkly reflected in global access to vaccines. Many developed countries are on the brink of mass vaccination. In developing countries, this could take months, if not years, further delaying a global recovery. 6 countries have already defaulted. 1/3 of emerging market economies are at high risk of fiscal crisis. And the situation is even worse for least developed and low-income countries. They face a painfully slow recovery that will put the 2030 Agenda for Sustainable Development and the Paris Agreement completely out of reach. Ultimately, we need a shift in mindsets towards responsible borrowing and lending, accepted by debtor and creditor countries, investors, market participants, credit rating agencies, and international organizations. We need a time-bound open dialogue to build trust and transparency in a systemic and inclusive way.